Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic free Canva football or soccer flyer that grabs attention and gets people excited. So here I'm going to show you all the secrets, free graphics and the exact template you need to make a professional flyer for your game, tailgate or watch party. Now let's just get started. First, you can just open canva.com and head into templates. So click on the template buttons in here and you can just use the exact keyword. Here I'm going to just go with soccer because if you input football, it will be shown the American football. So let's just go with soccer flyer poster, or you can also just search for soccer flyer. Okay, so as you guys can see in here, you can there are lots of options that you can select it. You can choose whether it's about a game, match day like this, or football schedule, tournaments, or a summer soccer camp. So just choose which one. For example, I'm going to use this one. Now you can just click on customize this template, and the template that you chose will be opened. And this is where you can customize the flyer using your own design, your own font, and other necessary elements. Here you can also change the background color. For example, I'm going to go with gradient, this yellow, a green gradient. Here you can also delete elements that you don't need, for example, or change the font to how you prefer. Like this, and once you get the design that you want, you can just tap on share, hit on download, and you can save the flyer. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on